Well, hello there guys, and welcome to my kitchen. So I'm feeling like soup today, and I have really been craving a hearty, comforting chicken pot pie. So I'm going to make a chicken pot pie soup. That's right. This has all the flavors that you would find in a chicken pot pie, but in a nice bowl of warm soup. It just doesn't get much better than that. So I've got all my ingredients here on my counter. I'm just going to go over them with you as I make it, but the full recipe will be in the description box below if you want to go check that out. But it's that time, guys. It's time to get cooking. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of butter to a soup pot. And then I'm going to add the mirepoix, which is chopped onions, celery, and carrots. I'm going to let these cook until the vegetables start to soften slightly and the onions become translucent. And then I'm going to mince 2 garlic cloves. And then I'm going to sprinkle in some flour, about 2 tablespoons. If you need to have a gluten-free option, you can always add some cornstarch to a little chicken broth, creating a slurry, and add that to thicken. Then I'm going to add about a cup of frozen corn, a cup of frozen peas, and then my chicken. And I will show you really quick how I cooked my chicken and shredded my chicken. I pulled this package of chicken thighs out of my freezer, and that's what I'll be using today. I'm boiling them until they are tender, and then after they have cooled, I'm simply just shredding the chicken with my fingers. And then I have about 4 cups of diced potatoes. And then you will need about 6 to 8 cups of chicken broth. Add 1 teaspoon of dried thyme, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. All right, I'm just going to let this come to a boil and cook until the potatoes are tender. So the potatoes are nice and tender. So the last thing I'm going to do is add about a cup of 50/50. This will just make that soup extra rich and creamy. Oh my goodness, this soup is just loaded with vegetables and chicken, and it's full of flavor. This is definitely a comforting bowl of soup. I'm just saying, it is so delicious. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you have a wonderful day. God bless, and as always, I will see you soon with more delicious recipes.